The creator, the nurturer, the protector. She is a mother, a friend, a wife, and most of all, a woman. Unfortunately today, we are building a world that makes it difficult for a woman to live and work with self-respect, pride and safety. Cases of violence against women are increasing day by day. Vodafone Gujarat is sensitive to such gender issues. The customer service wing of the Vodafone Business Solutions team came up with a simple yet brilliant concept. A workshop designed to develop psychological resistance against women-centric violence and abuse.
In the last 3 years, the HSW journey had been very satisfying for all of us here in Gujarat. We educated our employees, we educated our vendor partners, and we took it to the general public at large. As the next stage of evolution, we shifted the onus to the functions, and they started extending it to the customers. And my VBS team came with a very fantastic and very unique program called Swaraksha.
It was called Swaraksha, protecting our self-respect.
Swaraksha is a pioneer initiative in the industry. The response we have received is overwhelming. This we plan to take it to all big corporations in a much larger scale. This will surely help us create the most trusted and respected brand in the eyes of our customers.
And here comes the brilliant twist. It was meant for all female employees employed with our top-notch corporate accounts.
We identified 2 of our global accounts, Linde Engineering, which is headquartered in Baroda, and L&T, which has their engineering division here. The next big challenge was to identify a trainer who could specifically meet to this kind of a requirement. The next big thing was to design and customize the entire program based on our requirements.
The goal was clear: to empower women with self-defense techniques and to prepare them for any unexpected and unwanted attack. The trainer was Master Pamir Shah, a PhD in martial arts.
Hi, I'm Meera Sampath and I work with Linde Engineering India as their Human Resources Manager for Training and Development. Swaraksha as an initiative opened our eyes towards the humane side of our telecom partners, Vodafone. I think such initiatives should be encouraged in India and most corporates should engage in women's safety programs. I would like to thank Vodafone for this wonderful initiative.
As I came to know that Vodafone is taking such a good initiative of how to protest against a woman, and it was really appreciating and very encouraging. Practically they had showed such a wonderful and small very minutely very small things how a woman would protest herself.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Vodafone for taking this initiative, and we are also very much happy that the good participation that we have in our company. Through this, at least I have seen some kind of confidence in our female employees, and I also congratulate our employees to attending for this good seminar.
The thoughtfulness behind the initiative could not have gone unnoticed. Appreciation poured in from all quarters. At Vodafone Gujarat, we believe that no initiative is small, no step is futile if it makes lives better for all in its ecosystem. Swaraksha is just another shining example of our belief in ourselves.
Swaraksha program was liked by our customers across, and now we want to replicate it for all our key customers. We believe as an organization that this will go a long way in women's safety and make women live a better life on the roads and combat towards any untoward incident. Thank you.